this big old gap and steal that wet lumber. Look how wet that lumber has soaked up all that water. Cover that up. There's so much about this project, Burger King. That looks like something that has been recently done. Well, I want you to look at this big old gap. So, construction area, keep out, but you got this big old gap in there. That's just enough gap for people to walk over there and steal that wet lumber. Look how wet that lumber has soaked up all that water. Look at that. That doesn't make any sense for not to cover that up. There's so much about this project, Burger King, that ain't right. That looks like something that has been recently done. They need to get together and make their minds up. Are they going to let that go with what the information shows about the foundation and all the shortcuts they took on that slab to make it not be in compliance on top of a foundation that is definitely not in compliance? It stayed frozen from the day they poured it. It was 43 when they poured it, and it dropped down to 22 degrees that night and stayed below freezing for almost 5 days. That ain't right, people. I wish you'd just look at all this plywood getting wet. Even the stuff that has a tarp on it. Somehow somebody, either the wind blowed that back, but now you can see how that is disfigured. It's not to compliance. It's not going to be useful to try to use that warped material. As soon as you unband all of this, it's going to show the warpedness, but right over there you can see the warpedness. Alright, we're at the Burger King project, Ozark, Missouri, and it's a mess.